Euro against US dollar this week has started with a bearish candle reaching a support level 1.15882. From here the price has bounced up and reached again immediately the same resistance level like several days ago, and we can see the price is bouncing slightly back down, could not make a bullish breakout. The next day the breakout has been formed on the chart. We can see that it was a bullish breakout, a small one, where the price immediately on the next day has returned back down, invalidating this bullish breakout, forming this bearish breakout. But we can see it was a fight between the buyers and the sellers, and the next day on the Friday the price is returned back above this area of resistance, forming a bullish breakout, invalidation of this bearish breakout. So this means indecision between the buyers and the sellers. Weekly time frame shows us that we have bullish candle formed on the chart with a wick on the lower side and also wick on the upper side. It is continuation of the previous week, we can see that, which means the bulls are still stronger than the bears, and it is likely that the price will reach higher price levels next week. The monthly time frame currently shows us the whole month, it is the middle of the month, is currently bullish oriented. How the month will close? Well, we have around 2 more weeks until the month closes, so let's see how the price will behave on the lower time frames. So for the weekly time frame, we can see that the price is trying to reach 1.1748, which is a very important resistance level for the price. Will it reach? Well, next week we'll see, but the daily time frame shows that it is probably will be reached the next week because of this bullish breakout. But I'm still cautious because of this bullish and bearish breakouts invalidation 2 days in a row, so this could be also possibly the same scenario on Friday. Let's see how the weekend will close, because over the weekend can something happen, and also the week can start with a gap, so this is very important. And also it is the best to stay out of the market to protect your account and then wait until the market makes a clean move. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see the price has reached at 1.17062, which is also currently resistance level. We can see that here. How the price will react around this area of resistance, well, we will see, but currently it is on the resistance level on the 4-hour time frame, which needs to be broken in order to allow the price to reach higher price levels. So for now I'm staying outside of the market, waiting to see how the price will close the day on a Monday and how the price will react when the market starts. And after that, let's make a decision. Also, please note that there is a link below in the description if you would like to receive the updates on the lower time frames, like 1-hour time frame and the 4-hour time frame, when there is a breakout on the market, and you will receive information when that breakout happens, what is the target, where the price is heading. Feel free to check and join other traders. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.